Thanks to new technologies, dozens of tasks can be facilitated. Students and professionals must set themselves limits to achieve a responsible use of these means. Learning about the dangers hidden in technology can be a good first step towards more appropriate use. How do we use technology? How is it possible to make more conscious use of new technological media? Here are some tips. First, set limits. Taking time out of the day to use them can be productive, as they allow us to stay informed and learn about new realities. But letting them occupy our attention all day is a serious mistake. The most advisable thing is to set limits and establish basic rules to detoxify yourself a little from technology, not to use the phone before sleeping or during lunch and study or work periods. Second, know what you are using. Many times we use applications and social networks without reading carefully what we accept. In this way, we give permission to the companions to carry out actions that we are not always aware of. It is always best to read each section of terms and conditions before accepting the use of a device. Third, questioning privacy. How much do you want to expose yourself to the new technologies? Social networks are the clearest example, but not the only one when thinking about the data we share through these technologies. Not only can this information be used to commit crimes if it falls into the hands of inappropriate people, but in a way it is a way of limiting our privacy. Therefore, it is important to ask ourselves how much we want to share and to make an analysis of the benefits and consequences that can be obtained by sharing this information. And fourth, distrust. New technologies mean new opportunities, both for people with good intentions and for criminals looking for new ways to commit crimes. With this in mind, it is always advisable to be suspicious and stop for a second to think before launching into certain technologies.